Hello, my name is Patti Drilari, and I am a dancer and the artistic director of a dance school based in Athens. Today, you will attend a seminar organized as part of the Tech-Infused Dance program, co-funded by the European Union. The event takes place within the broader framework of exploring digital innovations in the field of dance. Let's begin. Ethics and responsible practice in digital telematic dance. Here you can take a quick look in what the presentation is about. First of all, we'll make an introduction in digital dance and ethical awareness. And after that, the chapters are digital ethics in performing arts, telematic collaboration and consent, representation and cultural sensitivity, digital sustainability and well-being, and towards responsible practice. Introduction: Digital dance and ethical awareness. Let's define digital and telematic dance. First of all, what is digital dance? Digital dance integrates digital technologies like motion capture, projection mapping, and interactive software to create new forms of movement and expression. It encompasses a wide range of artistic practices. Let's now see what is the telematic dance. Telematic dance involves a real-time remote collaboration connecting dancers and audiences across geographical distances through networks and communication technologies. The importance of ethics. Ethical awareness is crucial in digital and telematic dance to protect creators' rights, ensure participant well-being, and promote responsible use of technology. Why ethical awareness matters? First of all, because it protects creative rights. Ethical considerations safeguard copyright, ownership, and intellectual property within collaborative digital dance projects. Therefore, defining fair use guidelines becomes relevant and very important. Ensuring participant well-being. Ethical practices address issues such as data privacy, consent, and mental health in digitally mediated dance experience. Thus, preventing potential harms should be the highest priority. Promoting responsible technology use. Ethical guidelines encourage sustainable and inclusive uses of technology in dance, mitigating digital divide and environmental impact, thus promoting social responsibility in dance is desired. Let's say a few words about digital ethics in performing arts. Respect for creators in digital dance. Always remember to give credit in contributors. Digital dance pieces should always clearly credit all involved artists and technologists in promotional material and performances. Avoiding plagiarism. All elements in digital dance, including music and code, must be original, licensed, or used under fair use. Secure permissions for external elements. Ethical digital dance, acknowledging creative contributions. Credit all contributors. Always credit dancers, choreographers, composers, visual artists, and of course, do not forget technologists. The attribution must be clear and visible. So provide clear and visible attribution in all promotional materials and performances. Summary: ensuring originality, avoiding plagiarism in content creativity creations. Sorry. Original content creation. All content, including music, video, and code, must be original to avoid plagiarism issues. Fair use provisions. Utilize elements under fair use provisions where applicable, adhering to guidelines. Proper licensing. Ensure that all used elements are properly licensed for use in the project. Permissions and licenses. Obtain necessary permissions or licenses for any incorporated outside elements to ensure compliance. Here we have a visual guide about crediting digital dance productions. 1. Importance of proper credits. Giving credit to all contributors in a digital dance production is essential for ethical and legal reasons. It acknowledges their work and protects intellectual property. 2. Visual example. Credit list. Imagine a screen displaying choreographer, tag his name, say his name, dancers, the same names, videographer, name, editor, music, the artist, and the track as well. Costume design, who made the costumes, lighting designs, names again. 3. Key roles to credit. Include credits for choreographer, dancers, videographers, editor, composer, or musician, costume designer, lighting designer, and any other significant contributors. 4. Where to display credits. Credits can be displayed at the beginning or end of the video, or as a separate section on the production's website or promotional materials. 5. Legal considerations. Ensure you have the rights to use any music, video footage, or other copyrighted material included in the production. Proper crediting can help avoid legal issues. Telematic collaboration and consent. Remote creative work considerations. First of all, agreements for collaboration. Establishing clear role, responsibility, payment, and ownership agreements prevents disputes in telematic dance collaborations. Effective communication. Developing communication protocols facilitates collaboration, addresses technical challenges, and ensures artistic cohesion through regular meetings. Respecting cultural norms. Recognizing cultural differences in communication, practices, and norms is crucial for international collaboration. Learning basic etiquette helps. Telematic dance. Agreements for remote collaboration. Clear role definition. Establish clear roles for each remote collaborator to ensure accountability. Responsibility allocation. Define specific responsibilities to avoid overlap and ensure tasks are completed. Payment agreements. Agree on payment terms upfront to prevent financial disputes. Creative ownership. Clarify ownership of creative contributions in order to protect intellectual property. Dispute avoidance. Proactive agreements are crucial for avoiding future disputes in telematic dance collaborations. Effective communication protocols for seamless collaboration. Develop communication protocols. Establish protocols to facilitate, as we already tell, seamless collaboration across geographical distances. Address technical challenges. Use protocols to address technical challenges effectively. Maintain artistic cohesion. maintain artistic cohesion through structured communication, regular, sorry, regular meetings and check-ins. Implement regular meetings and check-ins to ensure effective communication. Navigating cultural differences in global collaboration. Respecting communication styles. Acknowledge and adapt to varying communication styles across cultures to foster effective collaboration. Understanding artistic practices. Recognize diverse artistic practices to appreciate and integrate different creative perspectives. Ethical norms awareness. Be mindful of differing ethical norms to ensure respectful and responsible interactions with international partners. Basic etiquette learning. Acquiring basic etiquette knowledge aids in building rapport and avoiding misunderstandings. Telematic performance. Ethical consent protocol. 1. Inform consent for participants. Dancers and audience members must provide informed consent before participating in telematic performances. 2. Data usage and storage. Explain clearly how participants' images and data will be used and after that stored to ensure transparency. 3. Understanding implications. Ensure all participants fully understand the implications of their involvement in telematic performances. Consent withdrawal, empowering participant control. 1. Right to withdraw consent. Participants must be allowed to withdraw their consent at any point. 2. Privacy and control. Respect participant rights to privacy and control over their own data. 3. Simple opt-out method. Provide an easy way for participants to opt out of data usage. Representation and cultural sensitivity. Enhancing cultural understanding in telematic dance. First, contextualizing dance movements. Offer background on the cultural origins and meanings of specific dance movements to foster deeper audience understanding. Secondly, explaining costume significance. Provide insights into the cultural importance of costumes used, including their historical and symbolic value as well. Thirdly, decoding symbolic representation. Clarify the cultural significance of symbols incorporated into telematic performances, promoting cultural appreciation. Finally, promoting cultural appreciation by providing adequate contextualization. Audiences can better appreciate the cultural nuances and richness of the performances. Inclusion and exclusion, representation, diversity. Promote diversity in casting, choreography, and creative teams, ensuring that way that the representation of marginalized communities and addressing systemic inequalities within the digital dance field, thus fostering equity. Accessibility. Design telematic dance performances to be accessible to diverse audiences, including people with disabilities, by providing captioning, audio description, and alternative formats. Avoiding tokenism. Avoid tokenistic gestures of inclusion, integrating diverse perspectives and voices authentically throughout the creative process, rather than simply featuring them superficially, thereby ensuring genuine engagement. Ethical dilemmas of avatars and digital embodiment. 1. Ethical avatar use addresses ethical dilemmas of avatars and digital embodiment, focusing on representation, identity, and cultural respect, such as diverse body types. 2. Cultural accuracy in avatars emphasizes avoiding misrepresentation or appropriation in virtual identities, ensuring cultural sensitivity and promoting understanding through respectful avatars. Respecting virtual identities stresses respecting digital identities in telematic dance, protecting privacy and preventing online harassment, advocating for equal ethical standards online and offline. Digital sustainability and well-being. Well-being is our chapter 5. Combating digital fatigue. Self-care for dancers. Importance of screen breaks. Don't forget to encourage dancers to regularly take breaks from screens to rejuvenate. recognizing digital fatigue symptoms, identify burnout, exhaustion, and reduced creativity as signs of digital fatigue. Essential self care practices emphasize self care as a crucial strategy for combating digital fatigue. Mindful technology use. Promote mindful engagement with technology to mitigate digital fatigue effects. Promote holistic wellness beyond digital dance. Encourage activities like outdoor recreation, social interactions, and artistic pursuits for holistic wellness. Also, balance approach to prevent over reliance on technology by promoting diverse activities for wellness and preventing over reliance on tech are important, both of them. So keep them in mind and do both all the time. Give chances for both of them. Towards responsible practice. Here are some recommendations for education and training. Ethical practice community. Workshops and seminars for artists and educators offer guidance, case studies, and promote best practices, enabling a community of ethical practitioners in digital and telematic dance. Ethics in dance education. Integrating ethics into dance curricula from the start is key to shaping responsible digital choreographers by teaching about intellectual property, privacy, cultural sensitivity, and technology use. Lifelong ethical awareness, encouraging continuous learning and development in ethics, fosters ongoing awareness, urging dancers to stay informed, reflect critically, and contribute to ethical discussions. Ethics in dance, shaping responsible digital choreographers. 1. Integrating ethics education. Incorporate ethics into dance curricula to educate students on responsible technology use. 2. Key ethical areas. Focus on intellectual property, privacy rights, and cultural sensitivity within the dance context. 3. Responsible digital choreographers. set students into responsible digital choreographers by addressing the ethical considerations early in their education. Thank you all for watching.